Welcome to the Bettendorf Public Library's Take-Home Workshop. Today, we will be making bows. In your kit, you will have a glue stick, and you will have an approximately 8 by 8 paper. It may be a little larger than 8 by 8 just because I wanted to give you a little extra cutting room. You will also have an extra piece of paper in your kit, just in case you need some extra paper, in case you would make an error like I sometimes do, so I wanted to include some extra. All right, you'll see that our paper is red on one side, polka dotted on the other. Your first step will be to mark off your paper and cut it using a ruler. That's one of the things that you will supply. Also, we'll have you supply your scissors and a pencil. So what you'll do is you will make 3 strips of 1 inch wide by 8 inches long. You will make 3 strips of 1 inch wide by 6 inches long, and 1 strip of 1 inch wide and 3 inches long. Once you've done that, and I have mine pre-cut for us today. Okay, you're going to first find those 3 1 inch by 8 inch strips. Put the others off to the side for the moment, and then we'll get started. Since our paper is colored on both sides, you can do either way you want. If you want polka dots on top or the red paper on top, either way. The first step is you're going to loop this around just like this. Okay, and then on the back, you're going to affix that with glue. So here's my loop. Loop that around. Put some glue on it, and you are going to want to hold that for a few seconds to make it stick. Okay. Step 2, you're going to want to loop the other end of your paper. Put some glue on. And hold so that it sticks. Okay. So when you're done with one, you should have something that looks like this. You're going to do the same, repeat the same step over with the other 2 8 inch papers. Okay. I'm going to now repeat the same thing with the 6 inch strips. And like I said, you can choose either the plain red or the polka dots to be on top. That's up to you. Again, sometimes I'm holding for like 3 seconds or so just to get that glue to stick. Okay, so once I've done that with my 6 inch strips and my 8 inch strips, I am ready to assemble my bow. Okay, you'll see that I have my 8 inch strips here. I'm going to assemble them into a little star pattern or asterisk pattern, just like this. Then, once I have them where I want them, I'm going to glue them down. So I put glue in between each layer. Okay, I do want to leave a little space between here because that's where my other bows are going to go once I start on the 6 inch papers. Okay, so I'm working on my 6 inch papers now. So I'm going to line them up. See how that works. Okay, and then I'll start to glue them. Okay, get them so that they are affixed there. Then with my last strip, my 3" by 1", I'm just going to do a loop like this. And you can loop it whichever way you think it would look best, with the dots or the red. I'm gonna glue this right here. Press and hold that for a few seconds. And then I'm going to glue it right here in the center. And I'm gonna hold that down. Okay. And at this time, I can also go back and see I have this little end right here that maybe could use a little bit of glue, so I'll glue that. See if my bow looks how I would like it to. This one right here, this could have been a little bit more pointy. But overall, I love my bow, and now I'm ready to put that on a gift for someone. Thank you for joining us today for the Take Home Workshop, sponsored by the Friends of the Bettendorf Public Library.